Namaskar dosto, welcome back to Dwaj Stock Info. Today we are going to discuss one important topic, technical analysis basics, how to read a stock chart. So far we have covered that stock market is how to pick stocks using 7-point checklist, how to build your first portfolio and how to read the company's annual report. Today we add one more powerful skill to your toolkit, that is technical analysis. By the end of this video you will be able to open any stock chart and understand exactly what it tells you. Let us start the video. Every day 50,000 crores worth of stocks are bought and sold in Indian stock market. Every single day. And most of the people doing so, buying and selling, are looking at only one thing, that is a stock chart. Professional traders, fund managers, big institutions, they all read charts. Yet most of the retail investors look at the chart and see nothing but a random wave line. Today I am going to change that completely. In the next few minutes you will read the charts like a professional. Technical versus fundamental analysis. Before we dive in, let me quickly explain the difference between two main ways to analyze stocks. Fundamental analysis, which we covered in episode 2 and 4, ask a question: this company is good. It looks at profits, debt, ROE, technical report, etc. Technical analysis asks a completely different question: is now a time to buy this stock? It looks at a price chart and volume to find the right entry and exit points. The best investors use both. Fundamental tells you what to buy, technical tells when to buy. And now, how to read a stock chart? That is very important point for us. Open any chart at Zerodha, Grow or TradingView. Every chart has the same basic parts. Let me show you what each one means, starting from the most basic. The most common chart you will see is called candlestick chart. Every candle represents one time period, one day, 1 week or 1 hour depending on your settings. Each candle tells you 4 things: the open price when the period has started, the close price when the period has ended, the highest price during the period, and the low, the lowest price. If the candle is green, the price went up that period. If the close was higher than the open, good sign. If candle is red, the price went down, the close was lower than the open. As simple as that. And now, two most important concepts in all the technical analysis: support and resistance. Think support is a floor. It is the price level where the stock keeps bouncing up. Every time it falls to this level, buyers step in and push it higher. And resistance is a ceiling. Like this, resistance is a ceiling. It is the price level where the stock keeps getting stuck. Every time it rises to this level, sellers push it down. Why do these levels exist? Because thousands of investors have money. They remember where they bought this and sold before, and they make decisions at the same levels again. Now the key indicators every beginners must know. Now we get into the good part. There are hundreds of technical indicators out there. You do not need all of them. You need just 4. The 4 indicators work together like a team, and together they tell you almost everything you need to know about the stock, momentum and direction. I am going to keep each one super simple. One concept, that rule. That's it. First one, moving average, the trend finder. Simple meaning, the average closing price of a stock over a set number of days. It smooths out daily noise. Simple meaning, a average closing price of a stock over the set number of days. It smooths out daily noise and shows the direction to the trend. Real example, if a stock's 50-day moving average point is up, the trend is bullish. If the point is down, bearish. Nifty 50 above 200-day moving average, bull market confirmed. Next comes number 2, RSI, that is relative strength index. Simple meaning, a number between 0 and 100 that tells you how fast a stock is moving. Is it moving too fast, upward or downward? Real example, RSI above 70 means it is overbought. It has risen too fast, may fall soon. RSI below 20 means oversold. It has fallen too fast, may bounce back soon. Signal RSI below 30 plus at stock support is equal to strong buy signal. RSI above 70 is equal to be careful, do not buy now. So these things you have to keep it in mind. Then third one is MACD, that is moving average convergent divergence. Simple meaning, sounds complicated but rule is simple. It shows you when the movement of a stock is changing its direction from up to down and down to up. Real example, when the MACD line crosses above the signal line, bullish signal, consider buying. When it crosses below bearish signal, consider exiting. Signal, MACD line crosses above signal is potential buy, crosses below is a potential signal to sell. Use these with other indicators always. Then comes volume. Volume, simple meaning, volume is simply how many shares were traded in that day. It confirms whether price moves is a real or fake. Example, if a stock price rises 5% on high volume, many people are buying, the move is real. If it rises 5% on low volume, it may be fake move, be careful. Signal, price up and volume up is equal to strong bullish move. If price is up and volume is down, it's a weak move, may reverse. Always check the volume, this is very important. Indicators for quick reference table. Here I have given one small reference table for you. Please go through this. This moving average indicator is a moving average. What it tells you, direction and the trend. Buy signal, price above 50-day moving average. Then sell if the price is below 50-day moving average. RSI 0 to 100 is the number, speed, overbought or oversold. RSI below 50 is oversold, RSI above 50 is overbought. Then MACD crosses above the signal is buy, then MACD crosses below the signal, sell it off. Then comes volume, confirm if move is real, price up and high volume, then buy signal is there. If price up but it is a low volume, you are in a trap, sell it immediately. Then the chart patterns beginners must recognize always. Now let us talk about the patterns. When you look at enough charts, you start to notice that certain shapes appear again and again, and these shapes have predictable volumes. I am going to show you 4 patterns that repeat constantly in Indian stocks. Learn to spot these and you will have the real edge on it. Pattern 1, uptrend. Shape will be higher highs and higher lows. What it means? Stock consistently making new peaks, buyers are in control. Action, buy on dips. Then downward trend, lower highs and lower lows. Stock consistently making new lows, sellers are in control, avoid. Then comes breakout. Price crosses its resistance means strong move above the resistance on high volume. New buyers rising in, buy on breakout. Then double bottom, that is W shape in the chart. Stock hits the same low twice, then bounces back. Strong reverse signal, buy after second bounce always. Then let me show you a live example right now. I am going to open a tradingview.com. It is completely free. Search for Reliance Industries, switch the chart to weekly view, look for a 50-day moving average. Is the price above or below it? Check the RSI in the bottom panel. Is it near 30 or 70? The 2-minute check alone will save you from many bad movements. Hello. Now I will show you how to see the stock in tradingview.com. Go to the Google browser, type in.trading.view.com. Then this screen will appear. Go to this products, screeners and stock. Select this one. Then stock will NSE 50 stocks will appear here. Now we shall see about the Reliance Industries. Click on the Reliance Industries Limited. The trading view chart will appear here. Trading view chart has come. Now you have to see the moving averages for 20 days moving averages and for short term, and 200 days moving averages for long term. I have already done this. To show you again, I'll delete this and show how to pick this one. First you see that the timings, it has been set to 5 minutes. Then come to this indicators, click on this indicators. In the search column, type moving. Type this moving. You will see a simple moving average. It has displayed here. Click that. It has come on the screen. But it is showing SMA for 9 days. You have to reset it. Go to this setting and here go to this input. Select input. Remove this 9 days. Type here 200 days. 200. Then come to style. Because both colors are in blue, we cannot identify the same. Select green color for 200 days moving averages. Then close this. It has come here. Both, this is a above line. Blue line is showing 20 days moving averages and the bottom line is 200 days moving averages, simple moving averages. You can see here, whenever this 20 days moving averages comes nearer or touches this 200 moving average, it's the right time to buy. Here at 1333, if you buy the stock, see the upward movement of the stock till 1365. This trend will continue. If the 20 days moving averages comes below 200 days moving averages, it's the right time to sell. Depending on circumstances and depending on your financial advisors, you can take appropriate decision when to buy and when to sell. This is about very simple way of seeing stock in a tradingview.com. Here a lot of options are there. You can search various options. Since the video is going too long, I would like to stop this video here. Thank you so much. The golden rule of technical analysis. Always before we wrap up, I want to share the most important rule of technical analysis, one that every professional knows but most beginners ignore. Technical analysis shows you probability, not certainty. No indicator is right 100% of the time. Even the best traders were wrong 40% of the time. The difference between the losers is not being right at all times. It is the cutting loss quickly when you are wrong and letting the profits run when you are right. Never use technical analysis alone. Always combine with the fundamental analysis. Use fundamentals to find what to buy. Use technicals to find when to buy. That combination is your real edge always. Then the call to action now. So the technical analysis is explained in this simple English. Candlestick, support and resistances, 4 key indicators and 4 chart patterns. Here is your action step in today. Open a tradingview.com. It is free. Pick any stock you own. Run these 4 checks: moving average, the moving average direction, RSI, MACD signal and volume and recent moves. Come back and tell me in the comments, what did you find? I read every single comment. If this video helped you, please like it, please share it. One person who looks at the chart understands nothing, and subscribe because episode 6 is coming next week. We are going to talk about dividend investing, how to earn money from the stock market without even selling them, and you will not want to miss that one. See you next week. All the best. Thank you so much for watching.